इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्समध्ये आपण पाहिलं होतं की चार्जेस हे दोन प्रकारचे असतात आणि या चार्जेसमध्ये एकतर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन असतं किंवा फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन असतं. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द चार्जेस, दॅट इज आयदर दे आर लाईक चार्जेस or unlike charges. This force of attraction or repulsion depends also upon the magnitude of charge and distance between the charges. And this concept can be stated or explained by Coulomb and in the form of law. This law states that the force of attraction or repulsion between 2-point electric charges is directly proportional to product of magnitude of their charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Once again we have to see what is the law. Coulomb's law states that the force of attraction or repulsion between 2-point electric charges is directly proportional to product of magnitude of their charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. To explain this law, now consider 2-point charges, name that as Q1 and Q2, separated by a distance of r. Then by Coulomb's law, the force between them is directly proportional to magnitude of charge, means it is directly proportional to Q1, Q2, and F is directly proportional to 1 by r square. Combining these two, it can be written as F proportional to Q1, Q2 divided by r square. When we have to take out the proportionality constant, that sign, for that we have to introduce a constant, that is a k, q1 q2 divided by r square, where k is called a constant, or we have to say that is a Coulomb's constant. Its SI unit is Newton meter square per Coulomb square, and the dimensions are m1, l3, t minus 4, I minus 2. हा जो कुलम्स कॉन्स्टंट आहे त्याचं युनिट आणि डायमेन्शन हे MCQमध्ये नेहमी विचारले जातात, त्याच्यामुळं आपण हे नीट लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ के कॅन बी फाउंड विच इज इक्वल टू 1/4 pi epsilon 0, where epsilon 0 is the permittivity constant of air. Its value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square, and the dimensions are m minus 1, l minus 3, t plus 4, I plus 2. परमिटिव्हिटी कॉन्स्टंटचं युनिट आणि डायमेन्शन हे सुद्धा MCQमध्ये विचारलं जातं. इफ वी हॅव टू पुट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ परमिटिव्हिटी कॉन्स्टंट इन धिस इक्वेशन, then we get the value of 1/4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9. 9 into 10 to the power 9. If these charges are placed in any medium of dielectric constant K, of dielectric constant K, and permittivity is epsilon, then the Coulomb's force in any medium can be written as 1/4 pi epsilon. The force between 2-point electric charges in any medium is given by Fm is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 divided by R square. But K, that is the dielectric constant or relative permittivity, is the ratio of permittivity of any medium to permittivity of air or vacuum. Dielectric constant K or relative permittivity is the ratio of permittivity of any medium to permittivity of air or vacuum. It has no unit, no dimension. It is a pure number. Its value is 1 for air. Its value is 81 for water. And its value is infinity for metal. Hence, epsilon can be written as K epsilon 0. Therefore, the force between two electric charges in any medium is given by 1/4 pi epsilon 0 K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Now here we have to see, this is the force between two electric charges in air, and this is the equation of force between two electric charges in any medium. If we have to divide equation 2 by 1 or 1 by 2, then the equation becomes F air divided by F m is equal to epsilon divided by epsilon 0, or it is equal to K, or it can be written as relative permittivity. Hence, dielectric constant is also defined as the ratio of force, Coulomb's force between 2-point electric charges in air to the Coulomb's force between 2-point electric charges in any medium. From this we have to write Fm is equal to F air divided by K. Coulomb's law is the universal law. Because in the universe it can be accepted or holds good. Second one is, it is called the inverse square law. Inverse square law. Also, it is this force, that is the Coulomb's force, is attractive as well as repulsive. Attractive and repulsive. In this way, we have to see the most important bit in this chapter, that is Coulomb's law in electrostatics, dielectric constant, relative permittivity, and Coulomb's law, important features of the Coulomb's law. Now, after that we have to see the another bit in this topic.